Hi everyone, today we are up here at 895, somewhere back here, Knight Avenue up in Big Bear Lake. So great thing about this house is right here, right next door, it is the National Forest. So you could jump on the trail system and get over to the Big Bear Lake Village from here. So come check this one out. Okay, so I'm up top, very tip top of the street. First off, you got the National Forest up here. So you just hop on this trailhead right here and you can get to Town Trail. Look how beautiful all the colors are right now. So that's the first thing, is that the neighboring lot is the National Forest. So here's the house. Here's parking for about 4 or 5 cars up here. But we're gonna go down below just to show you how big this lot is. It's about a ½ acre. The house itself is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and about 2,505 square foot. And so down here is another access point where you've got 2 separate 2-car garages. So the first one over here to the left, and I don't have the access to these right now, but you can see you can fit so many cars here. They have it beautifully landscaped. Nice covered porch area, really well maintained. And so over here you've got access down below, which they have blocked off for tenants down that way. But we're going to go into the front entryway. So you enter into the living room. And then you've got these really nice original hardwood floors. The home was built in the 80s. The occupancy, they rent it, is for about 12 people. I'm going to take you outside in just a little bit after we enjoy the inside. So they have been a vacation rental for many, many years, dating back to about 2016, 2017. They are with Destination Big Bear and do pretty well there. I think last year they were in the $50,000 range annually. So first up, we have the first bedroom, all decked out in Big Bear. Check out this beautiful view out back. Nice big pine tree. And this is a split level home, so 3 stories, but just a few steps in between each floor. And then you've got a common bathroom, granite. And you've got a nice hotel-like shower in there. You've got a his and hers closet right here. Right now we are in the master bedroom. So a lot of beautiful Big Bear furniture. And this is your master bathroom. So nice tile, toilet space. I like that right there. Deep bathtub too. So next we will leave the master and go to the downstairs level and see what is down there to offer. This way. So here you have the 4th bedroom. And then if you really wanted, you could call this a 5th bedroom if you had to have that, but I don't think you need it. So 5 bedrooms. So you got like a little wet bar area, a little office area, nice big cozy wraparound couch. And check out this travertine tile work. Beautiful big wall, fireplace, flat screen TV, and of course, like most rentals, you have a pool table. And so you also have this downstairs bathroom with a shower. I'm going to take you out this back door. There's several ways to get back here. Lots of decking. So again, like, check this view out. Beautiful changing colors right now. And then down here we have the spa area. And then upstairs, we have some dining options. And then we're right back into the kitchen, living, dining room area. So let me know what you think. $1,150,000. Talk to you soon. Bye.